Hi, it's Keith from eMotors Direct, and today we're talking IEC motors, specifically the Lafert brand of motors. These are becoming more common in North America. Typically, we work with motors built to NEMA specifications, but these IEC motors are being requested more and more. I see them a lot in the food manufacturing industry when maintenance managers are replacing motors on pieces of equipment that originated from Europe. My favorite feature of the Lafert motors is how easy they are to customize. A lot of IEC metric motors are flange mounted. The two common flange types are B5 and B14. When purchasing a Lafert motor, double check if you require a flange. On the eMotors website, we have added -B34 or -B35 to the end of the catalog number to indicate if the motor has a flange already installed. If you cannot find your required motor with a flange pre-installed, you can also purchase an off-the-shelf motor plus the flange, and we'll install the flange for you. Give our team at eMotors a call for help to select the correct motor and flange combo. Another common mechanical modification is the foot position. Most NEMA motors will have the F1 connection box by default, meaning the conduit box is on the left-hand side of the frame, whereas the IEC motors typically come in an F3 assembly. An F3 conduit box is mounted on the top of the motor. Adjusting the feet position comes into play when you're mounting the motor in a tight space. You might need to move the conduit box to allow the motor to fit. You can order your Lafert IEC motor exactly how you need it. Contact our team at eMotors Direct for help sourcing your Lafert IEC motor. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.